In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iMessage notifications not showing up on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might be receiving messages on your iPhone, but you're not getting the notifications from them, and they can be really annoying, especially if they are time-sensitive messages or you have to reply by a certain time, or if it's something really important, but you're not getting the messages. So this is what you have to do. The very first thing I want you to do is swipe down in the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel and make sure that you are not on Do Not Disturb or any of the variations of Do Not Disturb, because if you are, you're not going to get any messages, any call notifications, or anything like that. So you want to make sure that that is turned off. The second thing I want you to do is actually go over to your Bluetooth devices, or just turn off Bluetooth entirely, because you want to make sure that no Bluetooth device is actually connected to your phone. This is because, your phone could be connected to some external speakers or like your AirPods or anything like that, which is why the sound is actually going to your AirPods or anything like that compared to, listening to them on your phone. So you can just turn off Bluetooth as well, but we're going to keep that on for now. And then after that, all you want to do is go to your settings application. Once you're in your settings, you just want to scroll down until you find apps, which is at the very bottom. And then you just want to search for your messages app. But instead of scrolling all the way down, especially if you have a lot of apps, you can go to the search at the very top and just type in messages. So we're going to open up the messages section. It's going to bring up a lot of different settings. And all you want to do is go over to notifications. So once you press notifications, you want to make sure that allow notifications is actually turned on. You want to have critical alerts and time-sensitive notifications turned on as well. And then just have badges on, have them displayed in different centers. So if they're not, displayed there, have them in all those areas. You can even customize notifications if you want to as well, and change the way they look in your lock screen too.